Okay, good morning and good morning to all this morning. This is Onismus P. Joa, your classmate, and I will be presenting to you on the core component of a visual machines and a specific example as we're told to do in this assignment. Now, the first thing we need to know of is the definition of a visual machine. What really a visual machine is. A visual machine is a software-based computer that is stored on our physical machines. Now, what are the core components of the visual machines? The visual machine core component number one is the hypervisor. Hypervisors are divided into two major parts: hypervisor step 2 and hypervisor step 1. Now, what do hypervisors do? The hypervisor help to manage the visual machine hardware resources. Those are the major reasons why we had a hypervisor. They help to manage the hardware resources. Number two core component will be the visual hardware. Now, what are some of the visual hardware that the hypervisor manage? The visual hardware are the CPU, the memories, the RAM, the storage, the visual disk, the network interface card. Those are the various visual hardware that is being managed by the hypervisor. Three core components here will be our guest OS. The guest OS will be Windows or Linux. Remember, on our physical computer already may be running Windows or running Linux there. So as you install the visual machine, its own operating system will be the guest operating system. Now, number four is that the visual machine carry out configuration. That's some of the component there. It also carry out configuration. It configure our file. It define how many CPUs, it define how many visual CPUs and RAMs we also have. Our visual machines, as we discuss going forward, probably we will have to have some additional, but this video is supposed to be too long, 3-minute video. Now we move to the business concept. What businesses could benefit or could use visual machine for? Now, there's several consideration. Several consideration help to run multiple visual services on one physical machine to first help the business save costs, to save power, and save space and money. You save space and money for them. The next thing businesses who use visual machine for is for development testing. The development testing is a software without affecting production system. It creates no risk to the business. So it's important they can use it. We could go far to say, oh, your business could use it for AWS. They could use it, business use it through cloud computing. Business use visual machine through cloud computing. So we could say they use AWS or Azure and so forth. Now, just by what we have said, this make visualization very critical to our modeling business. So in conclusion, we say visual machine is much most important for every business, and we will argue definitely ensure that our business partner increased the process of visualization to save some costs and manage their data very fast and effective. Thank you very much for looking at my video.